This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. Amazing floor plan in this rambling brick ranch with deep water access in Chesopiean Colony. Great potential for in-law suite. Covered boat lift, in-ground saltwater pool, and whole house generator are just a few of the many features. Plenty of storage and unusually large primary closet and bath for this neighborhood. Quick closing possible. Cox High School / Great Neck Middle School District. Great access to 264 Town Center, shopping, and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.